What's up, everybody? I'm back. I know I've been gone for a while, but I am back making videos. Gonna get to it. Gonna try and do this one right. I know it's been a little while. I don't know if anybody has been, looking forward to me releasing something new or not. I'm really trying to start this YouTube thing. Just to show what I'm doing, my hobbies, my interests. This Silverado I'm working on, project truck. Got the fuel pump in. It's covered. As you can see, I'm out in the weather. Northeast PA. It's that time of year. It's snowing. So this shit's live. Like I'm outside doing this. But anyway, got brake lines all on, the rear axle, all the way up to the ABS box. I got the fuel pump in. We'll go up front and check out my ghetto rig job. My battery rig job, can you see that? I got a good battery with the jumper cables running up to my battery, which is dead. So this is gonna be a cold start on 2004 Chevy Silverado 1500 with the 5.3 liter Vortec. So let's give her a shot. Wow. Fired right up. Oh my God. Can you believe that? Got the bully dog coming on. Wow. That's awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Awesome. Put some gas in it. I put about almost 5 gallons in. It's not registering, of course. Wow, this is so great though. This is awesome. You don't know how excited I am. Great. She's running, she's idling. About, according to the bully dog, about 800 RPM, which is great for it being cold like that. Gotta get my door handle on. We're gonna get snow down inside of there. Yeah, she's running though. Got the bitch fired. Finally got her fired up. 6 months of sitting. 33, 12, 50, 15s. Got those 15s to fit. 15-inch wheels fit. Minor modification. Oh yeah. That sounds so good right now. Oh my God. You gotta realize I haven't heard this sound in like 6 months. So I'm super pumped. Got my can of Coke. I left this out here 2 days ago, 3 days ago. It still feels kind of squishy. And last night it was 10 degrees. So but she's running. So in a future video, I'm gonna go over all the things I did to get it this far. Still got to get the bed on. But like I was saying, it's been so long, like 6 months since I've heard this thing run. Like, I'm super, super excited. I am. I love it, and it's the perfect weather for it. I mean, I won't have the bed on, so that ass end's gonna be a little light, but that's okay if you catch my drift. But I can't believe it. fired right up. Can you believe that? Damn. But yeah, we're also got some things we're gonna be doing with the Chevy Cavalier. Might be power modification coming soon for that, and a set of struts and coilovers. And we'll continue on with the Chevy Silverado here. Get it out on the road driving, see how it does in the winter. But yeah, I mean, I put up a couple of videos. I'm not sure which one this is, how many it is actually, because I just started. But if any of you guys out there have any tips, things you want to tell me, things you want to see done, questions on how things are done or how I did something, please feel free, put them in the comments below. I mean, I'm all about it. I'm trying to get started here. So, but I'm gonna end it here. I'm cold. It's like 8 degrees with the wind. It feels like -5 last time I checked. So I'm gonna let this idle for a little and then just shut it off. And that's gonna be it for today. But if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. I'm trying here to start out. Make sure you subscribe. There's gonna be a lot more coming. I'm gonna try and hit this every day. It'll be something new coming for you guys to check out and everything. But please make sure to leave a comment below. Any advice, anything you want to tell me about, I'd appreciate it. Let me know you're watching. Until next time, take care, have a great day.